4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So 39 seconds. So with mouse at the distance D1, the time is 39 seconds. So now this is trial 1. So again, we'll do the trial 2. So just reset the clock. We will reset the clock. Then again, we start the experiment. And so I'm starting the experiment. 1, 2, screen share ஆகலையே. Screen share ஆகலையே. உங்களுக்கு share ஆகுது, சொல்லிட்டு share ஆகலையே. அவ்வளவு சார் முடிஞ்சது சார் 2 minutes. நீங்க எப்படி முடிக்கலாம்? 20 ஆசைல.
Excuse me, so the audibility is very poor. Can you improve that?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Now we are putting the mouse on the both sides at the closest distance, and we are taking the reading. For 10 oscillations, we are counting 10 oscillations, and we are noting the time for 10 oscillations. So now we are putting the mouse at the farthest distance, at the distance D2. We are at the distance D2. So we are adding the mouse at farthest distance. So now the arrow mark is clicked, then the pendulum is oscillated, so it produced torsional oscillation. So similarly, the same procedure is repeated. So we are leaving 2 oscillations, then we are starting the counting on the clock simultaneously. So for 10 oscillations, we are counting the four, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for 10 oscillations with the mouse at distance d1 is 39 seconds. So d2 distance is d2 distance. So the trial 1 is taken. So again we will repeat the same procedure, and we will take the trial 2. So that is entered in the tabular column. So we will go to the tabular column. Okay, so that is the procedure. So by using these parameters, we can calculate the moment of inertia and rigidity modulus of the wire. So in the right side, we all the values are present. So distance at D position, distance D1 is 1.5 centimeter, D2 is 4 centimeter. Then radius, length of the wire is 30 centimeter and radius is 0.04 centimeter. So using this parameter, we can easily calculate the moment of inertia using the formula, moment of inertia formula. Then rigidity modulus is also calculated from the moment of inertia value. So we'll go to the second experiment. So any doubt? Yes, sir, madam. Any doubt? Shall we go to next experiment? Dear madam, Radha madam, can you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Shall we start next experiment, madam? Compound pendulum.
Hello.
Oh, yes, madam. I'm hearing your voice. Shall we start second experiment, madam? Compound
Yeah,
pendulum.
Seems to be very, seems to be poor. So I'm not able to hear. I
Madam,
don't know
can
if
we
the problem
repeat
is with
the
my
procedure, madam?
device or with the. It is from your end. I don't know.
No, we hear your voice, madam. Can we repeat the experiment
Okay.
once again, madam?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Innொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க. இல்ல, அங்கெல்லாம் கேக்குதுங்க சார். அங்க கிளியரா கேக்குது இல்ல, சேதுங்க சார். பேசுங்க, இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க.
So in torsion pendulum, we are using the following parameters. So in the right side, we are choosing the wire material as copper. Then without mass, we are performing the experiment. So the disc mass is 1 kg. Disc radius is 5 centimeter. Madam?
Install பண்ண வேணும்.
Disc radius is 5 centimeter. Then suspension wire length is 30 centimeter. Suspension wire is 30 centimeter. Then the radius of the wire is 0.04 centimeter. So now we are performing the experiment. So first we are clicking the arrow mark. Then what happened? The disc will be rotated. So torsional oscillation is produced. So now
தேவையில்லை. இது மேக்குக்கு தேவையில்லை.
then you are clicking the arrow mark, then the torsional oscillation is produced. So in the disc, the arrow and the reference line is present in the disc. So when the reference line moves from left to right, then it comes to left, the oscillation is 1. Similarly, we are counting the oscillations simultaneously on the clock. Simultaneously, we have to on the clock. So first we click the arrow mark, then the oscillation is produced. So first we have to leave 2 oscillations, 2 or 3 oscillations, then start the counting and simultaneously on the clock. So now I am starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the period of oscillation is 39 seconds. So 10 for 10 oscillations, time is 39 seconds. So we have to enter the 39 seconds in tabular column. So this is the trial 1. So we have to repeat the same procedure as trial 2. For trial 2, we have to repeat the same procedure. So we reset the clock. Then again, we repeat the experiment. So now trial 1, trial 2, we have taken. Then we have to